Meaning of Indiana.
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 Indiana. The name Indiana is derived from the Native American word Indians, which refers to the various indigenous tribes that inhabited the region before European settlers arrived. Indiana became a state on December 11, 1816. It is located in the Midwestern region of the United States and has a diverse economy with a strong manufacturing sector, as well as agriculture and a growing technology industry. The state is also known for its professional sports teams, such as the Indianapolis Colts and the Indiana Pacers, and its famous auto race, the Indianapolis 500.